what Wing Chun is about. You have beginner, then intermediate, and then advanced, right? So, and people think whenever you reach intermediate, then you have to forget the beginner. When you reach the advanced, so everything you have to forget what you learned before, right? It makes no sense because Wing Chun is built that what works best for you, gives you the biggest safety and the most impact for going in is the beginner session. So if he attacks me, I do this. Done. Job is done. I can do this, I can do this, I can do this, whatever I want to do. Okay?
Sir.
But then we have situations, and that's why a lot of Wing Chun people misconcept intermediate and advanced. Okay? Now, intermediate, same attack, Tanda. Still look, my wrist is in front where? But I shifted, so I twisted it a little bit to extend my arm. But you can ask Andrew, wrist, and shoulder, one line.
Yes.
Which form tells me that?
Siu Nim Tao.
No?
Jump cue.
Jump cue. Okay? That's intermediate. Right?
Sir.
Good. Then we have advanced. Did you form? All of this works. But if you ask me what I would use most, guess what I want to do? Number one. If you have a good gun, a good weapon, use it. Why have good soldiers or warriors, knights, call them whatever you want, additional weapons? If the main weapon is not working properly or if the occasion is not fitting to that armor. That's it. So it is so stupid for the majority of Wing Chun people when they have learned advanced form like Biu Jee or Sau, whatever it is, and they think that's now the only way they can do something or they should do something. And then they collapse by the most simple attacks. It's a right straight, and then we're like, oh, bang. What do you want to do? The second section of, no, hold on. No, the sixth section of Sau. No, the second Biu Jee section was, why are you doing stupid like stuff like that? Because there is, look, same attack. I can do this. But I have to practice this 10,000 times. Why? Because it has to enter my nervous system. But when I do continuously Wing Chun, and I've practiced this one 10,000 times, which one I have definitely practiced 1,000,000 times.
Understood, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. It's more direct anyway.
Okay? So keep it as simple as you can and adjust if needed. Don't try in a real situation to have misconceptions, imaginations of, no, I became the killer. No. In the end of the day, wedging in, confident punching, kicking, that's it. Confident punching, kicking. If he comes in, we're on the clinch, he grabs me, boom. He wants to headbutt me, thank you. Here it is. Yes. Nice?
No.
Okay? Exactly. No, I'm not gonna doing this. For all of you guys, you think that in Wing Chun, we don't have this, we don't have this, we don't have this. Come here and find out if we have it. My Villa May Plantation, Florida. Come and join us and
Experience the best.
thank you.